Are you sick and tired of spinning up a new project, configuring everything, and setting up a new subscription every time you want to try out a language model in one of your projects? We're going to show you how you can easily test out different language models using GitHub Models. Let's get into it.
Hey, I'm Isaac from SSW.
And I'm Caleb from SSW.
So our boss has just come to us letting us know they want AI in the project. So we know that there are all these different AI service providers, and they each have their own pricing model, APIs, documentation, and I'm going to need to set that up separately for each one if I want to test them and see which one's going to fit. That's going to be a big hassle for me and probably going to take a lot of time. You were telling me there's a better way to do that.
Yeah, so GitHub just released GitHub Models, and what this is it's a studio for you to try out different AI models. You can tweak a whole bunch of the parameters like the system prompt, the temperature, which is how verbose or creative the AI model is. And you can plug all of that straight into your application. It's got this nice chat interface for you to interface with the model and see if it's good for your use case.
So that looks great. What kind of models can I use from this?
Well, you've got a whole list from different companies. So you've got Meta's Llama, you've got Phi 3 from Microsoft, you've got GPT-4, GPT-4 Mini, and you've got a whole bunch of different language models you can choose from. It's even got DeepSeek.
Oh, that's pretty cool. That just came out. But there's got to be some catch because AI is expensive to run, and I don't really want to commit to any and pay for any model just yet.
Well, you don't have to pay when you're in your development environment, but once you roll out to production, you do get rate limited, which means you're going to have to switch over to a production key. You don't have to make any other changes to your code, but when you plug in that production key, you start getting billed.
Okay, and that's tied to something like Azure?
Yeah, it's tied to your Azure account.
Okay, cool. Have you tried this out at all?
Yeah, I've actually set up a demo project in Node.js. So if I want to copy and paste this code straight into my project and make some modifications to it, it generates it when I switch to that code tab. And all I need to do is switch over to my project and plug in that function. Then I can just tweak it and it'll be good to go. That
looks really clean.
Yep, it's very easy to set up. From that code interface, I can just plug that JavaScript straight into my Node.js app, start tweaking it, start iterating. If I want to switch to a different language model, I'm not locked in. I've just got to change this parameter here. And on top of that, it's all free in my local test environment, and it's very easy to switch over to production.
Okay, so it's like a try before you buy kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds great. That's been Isaac from SSW.
And this is Caleb from SSW. See you in the next one.